The Turtle Beach Recon Controller wired game controller is a feature-packed wired controller designed for Xbox and Windows gamers who want enhanced control, comfort, and immersive audio. Officially licensed for Xbox Series X OS, Xbox One, and PC, it combines pro-level customization with unique sound features that set it apart from standard controllers. Turtle Beach Enhanced Audio Features. This controller integrates Turtle Beach's signature audio technology, allowing you to fine-tune game sound directly from the controller. You can adjust volume, chat balance, and EQ settings without leaving your game, giving you a competitive edge and deeper immersion. Superhuman Hearing Sound Setting. The exclusive Superhuman Hearing mode amplifies subtle in-game sounds like footsteps, enemy reloads, and distant movements. This gives players a tactical advantage, especially in FPS and Battle Royale games where sound awareness is crucial. Ergonomic cooling grip handle surface. Designed for long gaming sessions, the controller features micro-cooling grip surfaces that help keep your hands dry and comfortable. This reduces fatigue and improves control, even during intense gameplay. Pro Aim Focus Mode for enhanced, long-range shots. Pro Aim Focus Mode adjusts thumbstick sensitivity to help you aim more precisely at long distances. This is especially useful for sniper gameplay, allowing smoother and more accurate targeting. Two mappable quick-action buttons. With two customizable buttons on the back, you can assign your most used commands for faster response times. This makes complex moves easier to execute without taking your fingers off the sticks. Immersive vibration feedback. The controller delivers responsive vibration feedback that enhances realism during gameplay. Whether you're driving, shooting, or exploring, the haptic feedback adds an extra layer of immersion. 4 Turtle Beach Audio EQ presets. Choose from 4 built-in EQ presets to match your gaming style, whether you want more bass, clearer dialogue, or balanced sound. Switching between presets is quick and easy, giving you flexibility across different games. Overall, the Turtle Beach Recon controller is a solid choice for gamers who want a balance of comfort, audio control, and competitive features in a reliable wired controller.